Perhaps no other province in the Philippines can claim to have chalked up a record of having many firsts as a province of Iloilo. This list, which is by no means complete, includes some of the vignettes of history that make for the grandeur and glory that is Iloilo. By making this compilation, we hope to bring you a state of exquisite splendor as we relive the glorious past through the great events and great achievements of notable men and women, and thus, though briefly, comes before the chamber of an eventful encounter with history. Number 1. The site of the first Malayan landing in the Philippines according to the Maragtas legend. The site was named Sirawagan, now part of San Joaquin, Iloilo. Number 2. The oldest Chinese settlement in the country was in Molo, Iloilo City. When Spaniards came to Iloilo in 1570, they reported that a large Chinese community already existed in the place. Number 3. The first Christian church in the islands was erected in Halaud by Martin de la Rada in 1566. Halaud is now the barangay of Ermita in Dumangas, Iloilo. Number 4. The first seat of the Alcaldía de Panay with the jurisdiction over Panay, Romblon, and Western Negros in 1570. Number 5. The first school for boys in the country was founded in Tigbawan in 1592 by the famous Jesuit priest historian Father Pedro Chirino. Number 6. The first intrusion by the British into the Philippines was in 1587 when Thomas Cavendish attacked the Arevalo shipyard in an attempt to destroy the galleon or Santiago, which was then under construction. Number 7. Niagao Church. The oldest Christian church in Western Visayas and the only church in the region to be declared as an UNESCO World Heritage Site. Number 8. The province that produced the biggest quantity of textile during the Spanish era. Number 9. The first province to have a foreign firm and the first vice consulate in 1856. Number 10. The first province to export sugar directly to Australia, Britain, Canada, and the United States starting in 1859. Number 11. The first province to import machineries directly from Europe starting in 1863. Number 12. The first American vice consulate in the Philippines established in 1864 with Wright B. Loring as the first U.S. Vice Consul in Iloilo. Number 13. The first province to have a Protestant community. A Protestant cemetery was established at Iloilo in 1866. Number 14. The oldest existing college in Western Visayas, Colegio de San Jose, founded in 1872. Number 15. Libreria La Panayana, the first bookstore in the Visayas and Mindanao, was established in 1877 by Mariano Perfecto. Number 16. The first department store in the country, Hoskins, established in 1877 by Herbert Peter, Henry, and Franklin Hoskin. Number 17. The first drama in Hiligaynon, Ang Babaeng Nga Huwakan, written by Cornelio Hilado in 1878 and first published in 1884. Number 18. The first bank outside Manila, the Iloilo branch of the Hong Kong and Shanghai Banking Corporation, established in April 2, 1883. Number 19. The first provincial branch of the Chartered Bank, opened on April 4, 1883. Number 20. The first newspaper and printing press outside Luzon, El Porvenir de Visayas, founded in 1884 by Diego Jimenez Frades. Number 21. The first and now the oldest almanac in the Visayas and Mindanao, Almanac Panayanon, founded by Mariano Perfecto in 1884. Number 22. The first province to have a cosmopolitan or international business community. By the 1880s, Iloilo already had vice consulates or consular agencies for Great Britain, United States, Switzerland, Portugal, Sweden, Denmark, Belgium, France, Netherlands, and Germany. Aside from citizens of these countries, there were also Lebanese, Chinese, Indians, Armenians, and other nationalities in Iloilo. Number 23. The only province to have two cities during the Spanish time. Iloilo City, inaugurated on February 7, 1890, and Haro, chartered on March 7, 1891. Number 24. The first city after Manila to have direct shipping lines to Australia, Hong Kong, China, Singapore, Europe, and America. Number 25. The first province to have a college offering courses in commerce, engineering, chemistry, arts, and trades. The Escuela Profesional de Oficios y Artes, founded by royal order on May 9, 1890. Number 26. The biggest province in population, income, and economic production during the whole 19th century. Number 27. The first city outside Manila to have a telephone system, starting June 1, 1894, covering Iloilo, La Paz, Haro, Mandurriao, and Molo. Number 28. The first city after Manila to be connected to the major cities of the world by cable, beginning on November 6, 1897. Number 29. The first provincial capital to have electricity starting on year 1890. Number 30. The first provincial branch of the Banco Español Filipino de Isabel II, now Bank of the Philippine Islands, opened in 1897. Number 31. The oldest machine shop in the South, Taller Visayas de Strachan and McMurray, first established in the 1890s and incorporated in 1919. Number 32. The first province outside Luzon to fly the Filipino national flag on November 17, 1898 in Santa Barbara during the inauguration of the revolutionary government of the Visayas. Number 33. The biggest army outside Luzon during the Philippine Revolution and the Filipino-American War, headed by General Martin Delgado. Number 34. The oldest bakery in the Visayas and Mindanao, Panaderia de Molo, established in 1899 by Marciana Hason. Number 35. The first hospital put up by the Americans in the Philippines, Iloilo Mission Hospital, founded in 1900s. Number 36. The first Baptist church in the Philippines, Haro Evangelical Church, organized in 1901. Number 37. The first public elementary school during the American regime, Baluarte Elementary School in Molo, founded by Rosendo Mejica in 1901. Number 38. The first provincial public high school in the country, Iloilo High School, organized in 1902. Number 39. The first nursing school in the islands, Nurses Training School of the Iloilo Mission Hospital, now CPU College of Nursing, founded in 1906. It turned out the first Filipino graduate nurses in 1909. Number 40. The first zarzuela in Hiligaynon, Ang Kapitan by Valente Cristobal, staged in Iloilo in 1903. Number 41. The first and only railway line outside Luzon, Philippine Railway Company, constructed starting 1906. Number 42. The first novel in Hiligaynon, Benjamin, by Angel Magajo, published in 1907. Number 43. The oldest school paper in the Philippines, the Central Echo of the Central Philippine University, first published in 1916. Number 44. The first Filipino-Chinese Association, the Iloilo Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce, formed in 1911. Number 45. The oldest Chinese school in the country, Iloilo Chinese Commercial School, founded in 1911. Number 46. The first concrete road in the country, the Montinola Highway, from the Forbes Bridge to the Haro Plaza, cemented in 1910 with cement imported from Japan. Number 47. The first provincial library, established on October 26, 1916, as the first branch of the National Library. Number 48. The oldest international business organization in the nation, Iloilo International Chamber of Commerce, organized by Esteban de la Rama in 1924. Number 49. The first car assembly plant in the Philippines, owned by Taller Visayas de Strachan and McMurray, which assembled the German car Daimler in the 1920s. Number 50. The first golf club in Asia, Iloilo Golf and Country Club in Santa Barbara, Iloilo.